If your restaurant isn't set up correctly on Google Business Profile, you're losing customers and you're invisible to them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a restaurant Google My Business Profile step by step. So before we jump into the setup, I want to make it clear why this matters so much. Think about it, when you search sushi near me, pizza near me, you're gonna see so many restaurants pop up. And most likely you're gonna check it out top 3. And if they have good pictures, reviews, and everything else, you're most likely to visit one of them. People actively looking for your food, and you wanna show your business profile at the top so that they can check your profile and eventually go to your restaurant. This is not just a profile, it's your restaurant's front door online. Okay, so when you open up your Google, and you're gonna see on the right top is a little 9 dots. If you click that, you're gonna see business profile managers. So let's click it, and you're gonna see all locations that you are in charge or you manage. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add a business, add a single business, and then you can type your business name. Let's say test. Business category, it should be restaurant, and then next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store and office? Please, yes. And you're gonna add your business address. So let's say I'm gonna use one of my clients' business. So okay, I'll just do randomly. Okay, and here and click next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? So if your restaurant is offering online order delivery, you can select yes, and you're gonna select the areas that you are serving. So let's say New York or Los Angeles, specific city or village. So let's say Los Angeles, California. So you can just select it, what exactly areas you're covering. But it's not mandatory, so you don't need to do it because most people know where you are. And then what contact details do you want to show customers? So basically your business information is very easy to do it. I just do it randomly right now. Website optional, but you should definitely add the link here. And get updates to your business profile. Yes, if you would like to. No, if you don't want to get notifications. Okay, now Google is going to verify your business locations and everything else, and after that, you will need to verify your location manually. Either sending videos, like going to your restaurants, having a keys, and showing the streets around your restaurant to send it to Google. And you're going to see that on Google Business Profile because it shows that verification needed. So it's not a big deal, you just need to record your video and send it to Google's. It's very simple. And after you create your account, you can just type in your business name and it's gonna show like this. And then you may see maybe verification is in progress or you need to verify it. You need to get verified to edit your profile, but you just need to wait a little bit. It usually takes like maybe 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna show you how to correctly set up your business profile. So let's click edit profile. And business name, for sure it should be matched with your business name. And category, you can choose primary category, but also you can choose subcategories. That's gonna send you signals to Google what kind of restaurant you are. And descriptions, it should have detailed description about your restaurants and specific dish name or category name so that Google knows what kind of food you're offering. And you can use ChatGPT to create this one too. And opening date, and phone number, chat. I would not suggest having a chat because they can send you a message to Google Business Profile, and I'm pretty sure you don't have time to respond it. I probably just turn it off. Websites, for sure, please add it to it. So social profile, if you have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you can just add it to this profile, and that's going to help SEO as well. Okay, menu and services link. If you have a menu page on your website, you can just add it to it. If you don't, you can just connect it to your online order page because it's a menu page. So one or two, either menu page or online order page. And locations in area. So this is our areas and service areas. They do that San Francisco and Japantown. And make sure you have the correct hours of operation and special hours like holiday seasons. And if you have specific hours for breakfast, dinner, or even kitchen, you can just add it here. It helps customers know when you are open. And from the business, so you can actually have identifies as aging owner or black owned or disability owned, indigenous owned, Latino owned. So depending on who you are, you can just choose it. Okay, accessibility. So sometimes Google updates automatically for you like this, exactly right now you're seeing. So it has wheelchair access toilet. So amenities has bar on size, has toilet or Wi-Fi free or paid. Children has kids menu or not, good for kids. Crowded, family friendly, LGBTQ friendly, transgender safe space. So you can choose it. So dining options is basically telling the customers, hey, do you serve lunch, dinner, or does it have dessert, or does it have seating? And highlights. Do you guys have fireplace, live music, have has rooftop seating, good for watching sport? It's very specific. And offerings. What do you offer? So Google is keep updating a lot, and it's gonna show a lot of options. It's a lot of work, but I definitely recommend doing everything so that Google knows you perfectly and customers understand what you offer as well. Parking is very important as well because sometimes if it's in the city, there's no parking spot. They want to know where they can park. It's gonna be street parking, or it's gonna be valid parking, or paid parking. And in payments, you should mention that what you accept in terms of payment, like credit cards, debits, or checks. There you go. There's a pet. Dog allowed inside, outside. It's very helpful for customers to know. And here's a planning. Reservation not required. Doesn't accept reservations. So it's very important to indicate people that, hey, we're accepting reservations or we don't. Service options. This is the last things. But it's very simple. If you offer takeaway, delivery, you just keep yes. That was a lot of information, but you need to go through every single of them and answer questions. But it's straightforward. Okay, now we're gonna talk about how to edit menus. So if you go to menu, edit menu button, okay, what I did exactly for this client is that I created a PDF files for menu, and I just drop this here, and then Google is gonna transcribe automatically with AI. And what they're gonna do is that they're gonna describe all menus, and the customers actually can see it without seeing the menu pictures. They just go to menu and they can see whole list of menu items. It's very helpful, and it helps Google as well because Google can know specific dishes that you are offering. But if you don't have menu design or PDF, you can actually copy from online order system that you use. For example, this client, they use Toast. So they can actually copy menu from Toast online order and add it to the Google business profile. So it's up to what you use with the online order system. But my recommendation is that if you have the photo of menu, that would be amazing to drop here and then transcribe it. Okay, next let's talk about food ordering. So if you have online order system or delivery apps, you can actually accept orders on your profile. So it means that whenever people go to business profile, they can order online through your business profile. So it's usually connected automatically to your POS or delivery app like this, Toast Online Order, Uber Eats, Toast Local, or Postmates. One thing we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna make this Toast Online Order as preferred choice, set as preferred, pickup and in delivery. Because Toast Online Order, they don't have commissions, so most of clients or business, they want direct online order. So we're gonna put that as a preferred choice. And then what's gonna happen is that they're gonna show Toast Online Order preferred for pickup and in delivery. And this kind of encourage people to use Toast Online Order. So wait list, if you have reservation system going on like Resi or Yelp, you can just connect it to it. All right, and definitely let's add photos because people want to see what they have. So you should add definitely photos of your food items like this. It's very appealing. People love clear, professional photos of your food items. All right, next I want to talk about post. And this is something that most restaurant owners don't do it. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if you click post, and if you can add a post, you can choose update, offer, or event. So whenever you have some events going on or offer promotions, you can actually post it on Google Business Profile. The reason why we do this is that we're going to send the signals to Google that we are active. So Google prefers active business listings rather than just silent one. So that's why we're gonna update. That's why we're gonna post any updates events here. For example, let's say this Kayaba Ramen, we had a restaurant week in Seattle. So we posted menu items and hey, this is Seattle Restaurant Week, come join us, and we post it. What customers would see is that they're gonna scroll down and they're gonna see it from the owner. And if you click that, they're gonna see all updates or promotions and offers from this business profile. In my opinion, not many people see actually this post, but it's important to keep customers updated and give signals to Google that you are actively working on your business profile. Last thing I want to talk about is reviews. You can actually get review links from Google Business Profile. Here you can click get more reviews and you can get QR or you can get short link. And you can just directly send your clients through SMS, email marketing, or you can just have that QR code on your menu or at the store so they can scan it and leave a review. I definitely recommend using Google Business Review link to get more reviews, encourage customers to leave a review, and easy access. All right, bonus tips. You can actually access to your Google Business Profile using your mobile phone. You can go to Google Maps app and you see on the right business. And if you click that, you can see all business profiles that you manage. So if you need help with setting up your Google Business Profile correctly, I put my free consultation link below so you can book a time with me. I help restaurant owners fix their visibility and rank SEO at the top. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video.